Hi guys, myself HRUDAY and I'm back with a new DIY project video, and today in this video I'll be showing you to make a night lamp. So without waiting any more time, let's get straight into the video. So guys, the materials required for this DIY project is an old incandescent bulb, a 9-volt battery connector, a 9-volt battery, hacksaw blade, LED strip, an A4 sheet, soldering iron with soldering lead, a bottle cap, a switch, a carton box. Well, first I'll be cutting the hold up part, this area, using a hacksaw blade. Make sure guys that your hands are protected. You can use a pair of gloves for this purpose, and be careful while cutting this because there are chances of the bulb getting cracked. So let's get started. So guys, we have just finished cutting this, and here we have this filament which is connected to this. Be careful while breaking this because it is connected to this part, so the chance of your bulb getting cracked, so be careful while doing it. So guys, I just finished cleaning inside the bulb. I have removed all the glass particles, all the tungsten and filament and all, and here is this what I got. See, these are tiny glass particles which are very dangerous, so I suggest you to dispose of in a safe place. So now let's proceed in our project. So guys, here is our empty bulb. Now what we'll be doing is we'll be inserting this LED strip. We'll be inserting this LED strip inside this bulb. Let me just insert it. I have made enough room so the LED can pass through it, and here as you can see the LED strip has just coiled inside. This is the same thing I wanted, and now I'll be cutting this part, and now I'll solder the wires. Now I'm inserting this LED strip which is soldered, and here as you can see I'm inserting it. As you can see it just got coiled inside. So guys, here is a bottle cap. I'll be making a hole in it. I prefer using a soldering iron because it's easy to do. Let's get started. So as you can see, we made a hole in this bottle cap, and we'll be passing these two wires as the positive and the negative terminals which are connected to the LED strip, and we'll be passing these two wires through this hole. So guys, I'll be using the cellophane tape in order to stick this bottle cap to this part of the bulb. So guys, here is our carton box. We have to cut 2 squares and 4 rectangles. The measurements of the square and the rectangle are 9 cm by 9 cm and 9 cm by 3 cm respectively. Guys, here is our cutout parts. Now we have to join them together, and we have to make a hole in this so that our switch gets fixed inside this. The reason for making this is this will be a base part for a bulb and also a place where we can keep our 9-volt battery and keep the wiring hidden. Guys, as we are using a switch, so we have to follow the following circuit. This is the 9-volt battery. Here is the positive and the negative terminal. The wire from positive terminal goes to the LED bulb, and the current from positive flows back to the negative terminal with this wire, and is connected to a switch, and it comes back to a battery. This is the concept we have to follow. So guys, our wiring is just finished. Here is our switch. This is currently at the off position. Now I'll turn it on. The bulb is glowing. Now let's proceed further. So guys, you just now saw the time-lapse build of this night lamp. In order to make it more attractive, I'll be using this A4 sheet to make a lamp head for this. If you can even go with a colored paper, but make sure that you're going with a light color, because in dark paper the opacity is more, so the illumination of light will not be good as compared to the illumination by a light colored paper. So now let's make a lamp head. Let's get started. In order to make the lamp head, well, first you have to roughly estimate the measurement of the diameter of this cylinder. Yeah, this seems good. Now we don't want this much of length, so we'll cut short the length by around 50%. So guys, as you can see, I have cut the paper up to 50% to the actual length, and now let's cover this. Yes, now it looks good, perfect. Now let me just stick these two papers together. I thought of writing some message on the lamp head, but now I have written DIY with HRUDAY. So now let's stick the paper over here and let's get started. I just finished making the lamp head, and now let's slide on the lamp head over this lamp. Here it is, DIY with HRUDAY. Now let's turn it on. Wow, it looks cool. So now let me turn off the light and let's see how it performs in the dark. Guys, I've just turned off the lights, and let me just turn on the lamp. And I'll be turning on the lamp in 3, 2, 1, and yeah, here is our night lamp. Here, as you can see, there is a head which is made up of paper, and DIY with HRUDAY is being written on it, and the illumination of the light is very good. That was it for today's video. If you love the video, like the video, comment on the video, share it with your friends, and do subscribe to my channel for this type of videos. And until then, this is your buddy HRUDAY signing off.